Welcome back to RV Road Report, the place where rugged design meets luxury living on wheels. If you're all about van life, off-grid freedom, and exploring a road less traveled, you're in the right spot. Today, we're diving into something truly special, the Nomadic Nest campervan motorhome. This teal-colored powerhouse isn't just a van, it's a lifestyle on wheels. Rugged, compact, and smartly designed, it rides on tough 4x4 wheels and features a long body that's built for real adventure. Buckle up and get ready for a tour that's going to inspire your next journey. Exterior front view. Let's kick things off with a front view of this stunning teal beast, proudly displayed at the official Nomadic Nest showroom. Just one glance, and you know this camper van means business. The vibrant teal finish shines bright under showroom lights, and that bold Nomadic Nest logo on the grille announces its brand with pride. With its sleek headlights, compact yet bold stance, and a slight aerodynamic curve, this van balances off-road power with modern style. It's not just made to drive, it's made to turn heads on every road you hit. Top side view. Now let's look at the top side of the Nomadic Nest camper van. And there's a lot to love. Sitting atop the roof, you got integrated solar panels that give you renewable energy for lights, gadgets, and even small appliances, perfect for life off the grid. Right next to that is a compact antenna that boosts your connectivity wherever you go. And just behind it, a low-profile rooftop AC unit, ready to keep your interior chill even under desert sun. From above, this van is your self-sufficient mobile base camp, ready to power up your journey. Backside view. Now swinging to the backside, you'll notice how Nomadic Nest didn't waste a single inch of space. There's a full-size spare tire mounted on the rear, essential for long trips through rough terrain. Just below that, you'll find a sturdy cycle carrier, ideal for bringing your mountain bike or electric scooter along. The rear doors are reinforced and locked securely, and the teal color continues around the back with sleek uniformity. Whether you're hauling gear or heading deep into nature, the back side of this van is built for serious adventure. Side view. Moving over to side view, and this is where the magic of van life really shines. Mounted neatly on the side is a retractable tent awning, perfect for setting up an outdoor lounge. Imagine parking in the forest, extending the awning, setting up chairs, and cooking dinner as the sun sets. This setup brings comfort to the wild. The Nomadic Nest rugged body lines and matte black trim complete the look, making this van feel more like a tiny luxury cabin than just a camper. This side setup is where travel becomes experience. Driving compartment. Let's step into the driving compartment, where functionality meets futuristic design. You've got two high-resolution LED screens on the dashboard, one for GPS entertainment and the other offering a live rear-view camera feed. That makes backing up and navigating tight. Space is a breeze. The driver and passenger seats are ergonomic and wrapped in durable, easy-to-clean material. With wide side mirrors, responsive controls, and a panoramic windshield, driving the Nomadic Nest is as enjoyable as the destination. Every mile feels smooth, safe, and stylish. Sitting and sleeping area. Just behind the cockpit, you enter the living zone, which transforms from a cozy sitting area into a full sleep setup. The cleverly designed sofa doubles as a bed, comfortably fitting two adults. You've got plush cushions, ambient overhead lighting, and built-in storage for your essentials. Whether you're chilling with a book, streaming a show, or catching some shut-eye, this area adapts to your needs. With the window shades down and the lights dimmed, it's your private hideaway after a day on the road. Kitchen. Now let's talk about the kitchen. Compact, functional, and well thought out. Tucked beside the sitting area, it features a 2-burner gas stove, a stainless steel sink, and a mini fridge to keep your food fresh. Above and below, you'll find cabinets and drawers for all your kitchen tools, dry goods, and dinnerware. There's even a small prep counter, ideal for making coffee, chopping vegetables, or prepping a road trip feast. This kitchen proves that you don't need a mansion to make great meals, just smart design and a love for cooking on the go. Washroom. Yes, this compact camper van has a washroom. And no, it's not just a cramped corner. Inside, there's a space-efficient toilet, a fold-down sink, and a small shower head that makes the most of the space available. A built-in skylight adds natural light and ventilation, while waterproof materials ensure the area stays clean and dry. From brushing your teeth to a quick rinse after a hike, this micro bathroom covers all your basic needs, proving that small space living can still be full of smart, practical luxury. And that wraps up our full tour of the Nomadic Nest campervan motorhome, your stylish, rugged, and compact road companion. With its vibrant teal color, 4x4 capabilities, long body build, and feature-packed interior, this campervan is ready for everything from weekend escapes to long-haul adventures. And here's the real kicker. All of this for just $30,000. That's right, $30,000 for your personal gateway to the great outdoors. What do you think? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And as always, force them to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Catch you next time on RV Road Report.